Good morning and welcome back to a quick trade recap video from JC Trading. Chris with you today. Just wanted to run through three trades we had yesterday. Just wanted to run through them. The first one is a one-to-one that we had here. Now this was, all three trades were New York Open. We had a news candle, which was this candle here that I've got with an arrow. And we had a small move down. We then come up and we inverted this fair value gap just there. Once we had inverted, we targeted the news high, and that was a one-to-one trade. So that was a textbook inversion where we had come down, we'd swept some liquidity, we inverted, and then we were targeting news lows. News lows and news highs will be a stronger draw on liquidity than most things on the chart. It doesn't mean they have to get hit, doesn't mean that they must get hit, but when you're close to them and you get a trade setting up that potentially is going in the direction that you need for that news high or low to be tagged, then yeah, they do make for higher probability trades. The second one was the larger trade. Now, we were very close to getting tagged in. We had a lot of range lows down here from previous sessions. We had also taken a hell of a lot of liquidity from above. So my plan was to try and get in short. There was a potential here, but there was a 1 and a 2 minute. The 1 minute inverted, which you can just see here actually. It was in there. The 1 minute got inverted, but the 2 minute didn't, and the 2 minute didn't actually invert until somewhere down here. But I was very keen to get short purely because we're taking a huge amount of liquidity from the upside, and we had loads left below us. So we couldn't get into this trade purely because, as I said, the 1 inverted, but the 2 didn't until we were around this area. When we come down into here, we had a textbook inverse. Sorry, I'm just having to peer around my microphone to find the arrows. We had swept some liquidity, and then we had an inverse to the downside. So on that candle there, this was a 1 minute fair value gap. So the target for this was going to be the range lows. There was around 3 range lows here. We obviously powered through them. So at this point, I haven't got a fixed TP. We powered through the first one, we powered through the second one. When we got to the third one, which was my final goal, if you like, I got out on the open of this next candle slightly later. So the range low was somewhere around here. This was my ultimate target. And once this candle had closed, we opened back down here, and I got out just after as that candle was forming. So that one ended up being a 1 to 22R and bog standard inverse strategy, obviously after sweeping liquidity. We then had a third trade, which happened to be a loser. We had gone up, we were tapping into obviously fair value gaps above. We come back down and inverse this 1 minute here, and we entered there. Unfortunately, that come back on us. It did eventually come back down to the target, which would initially have been that low there, but obviously it did push up a little bit more before it came down. So they're the 3 trades for today. We traded this live in our Discord. Members are obviously able to take these trades as well. Everything is called beforehand. There's no Photoshop involved, smoke mirrors, or posting trades after the event. Everything's done in real time. The link to the Discord is in the description. Any questions, pop them in the comments below, or what would be better, maybe pop over to the Discord, and we would love to see you. We can answer any questions and have a look around. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye bye.